You killed Jeffrey Epstein, you animal! He was a good man!
The video you just saw has gone viral on the internet. This is not a new Brad Pitt and Tom Cruise movie. In fact, it is an AI-generated clip created by Seedance 2.0 using just 2 lines of prompt. After testing this model for over a week and burning through 1,000 credits, I can confidently say that Seedance 2.0 is absolutely insane, and I truly believe that it can change the way we create videos forever. As of the published date of this video, the international version of Seedance 2.0 isn't open yet. I'm using the official China version, Jimeng, for these tests. But since you've already clicked on this video, you're clearly excited about Seedance 2.0 and don't want to fall behind. So in this video, I'm going to share all the best tips and tricks for using Seedance 2.0. And I've prepared a doc with all the prompts and templates used in this video for you. So when you finally get access to Seedance 2.0, you'll be ready to hit the ground running. With Seedance 2.0, we can really make a solid clip just by answering 3 questions: who, what, and how. In this example, it is about a rugby match. What's happening? Fierce competition, tense moments, dynamic tackles. How? Realistic action, smooth slow motion, cinema-grade visual. Nothing complicated. Let's watch it. Seedance literally designed all the cuts, camera moves, and sound effects by itself. Pretty incredible, right? But we're only scratching the surface. We can even generate a full drama scene with dialogue, just like a real TV show. Please pay attention to how the actors act and deliver the lines naturally. Let's take a look.
You never listen. The trash isn't out, dishwasher full, faucet still leaking after 3 weeks, kids' cleats muddy again. Do I have to do everything? Do I have to do everything? Are you even here?
Yes! Finally, peace.
Well, it feels like a real TV drama, and I got this on the very first try. The next example is a crazy one. We can now create epic movie scenes just by typing prompts. No reference images are needed at all. Let's roll it. I'm not a filmmaker and I know nothing about CG effect. All I did was paste this full prompt. The video is split into 5 shots. Every action, camera angle, and even sound effects were laid out clearly. And that's it. And here's the secret. I didn't write the prompt myself. It's way too hard for a regular person who has no filmmaking background. Instead, I have a template I can give to ChatGPT or any LLM. I just fill in the required parameters like the duration, the theme, the style, etc. And it spits out the full shot-by-shot prompt. It's an amazing starting point, and I can tweak it however I like. I'll share this template plus all the prompts from today's examples. Just comment Seedance below and I'll send you the access. Another way to generate videos is image to video. Why use it? Usually because we want to refer to specific characters like Superman or Iron Man, etc. Unfortunately, right now, Seedance blocks all copyrighted franchises and celebrity faces. There's been a lot of controversy about it. But that won't stop creators like us, right? For the next example, I've uploaded 2 characters, a ninja and a witch. Here's a quick tip. I intentionally write that it is an AI-generated character, implying that it's not a real human to get past the censor. The scene is about the two characters fighting inside an elevator, punching and kicking, blah blah blah. And here's Seedance's new amazing all-round reference feature. With this, you can call out the reference image anywhere in the prompt. It is super convenient and can keep everything consistent. It's a total game changer. Now let's watch the video just generated. If you want a more complex story, you'll need a detailed shot-by-shot breakdown. In this example, I'm going for an epic fight scene between the character Wukong and the Bull Demon King. I have a 7-shot breakdown. Each has detailed description on every moves and special effects, and call out the reference images whenever necessary. Let's look at the final result. Next up is one of my favorite use cases. Have you ever tried this 9-grid layout method for video generation? It's basically a storyboard with 9 scenes. I used this prompt, generate a video based on the 9-grid image showing the step-by-step process of making carbonara. Check this out. Seedance 2.0 handled this kind of cooking content incredibly well. This could be a huge opportunity for food bloggers. We can also make sleek product showcase videos for e-commerce. Here I put myself into 10 different clothing styles. By the way, Nano Banana is the best model for creating this kind of base images. I uploaded my photo to Seedance 2.0 and used this prompt. Based on image 1, create a character transformation video where the person walks forward confidently like a professional model the whole time. Clothes fly onto them quickly to achieve a fast outfit change effect. Let's take a look at the result. The model doesn't look exactly like me, but honestly, it doesn't matter. It is a fantastic use case for fashion brands and online stores. There's also another creative way to use the grid layout, making AI music videos. I created a base image and used Nano Banana to make a storyboard on a 4x4 grid. Then I just gave Seedance 2.0 this prompt. Generate a beautiful MV based on the scene-by-scene grid image, with fitting original English song included. Let's watch.
We were young, we were wild, we were free, running wild, running free, like the wind, like the sea. You were my everything, but the stars fade away and the sun goes down and the world keeps turning, and I'm still here, waiting for you to come back home.
Just like a real MV with the song fitting the scenes. Absolutely wild. The next powerful feature of Seedance 2.0 I want to show you is video reference. I don't need to explain much on this one. The example will speak for itself. Let's roll. Making this one is pretty easy. I just uploaded the original video along with my own image. The prompt was reference the exact plot and rhythm of video 1, but replace the character with image 1. Keep all actions and scenes identical. I'm honestly shocked how natural I look. It recreated the whole performance perfectly. Pretty insane. Building on the video reference feature, we can replicate a scene while completely changing the characters, the location, and art style. Check out this original video. I changed the characters to these two girls, set it in a different location and switch to anime style. Let's look at the video. The video reference feature is going to open up so many new possibilities for video production. Here are all the prompts and resources I used for all the examples in today's video, along with the prompting template. If you want access, comment Seedance below. Also, let me know which example was your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. More AI video tutorials are coming.